Hello mga ka-Nissan, to those who have a Nissan vehicle, here is how you can watch your favorite content on your streaming platforms at the backseat monitor for entertainment, and I will show you how. So let's see. So this is what I am referring to. You press this to open the monitor. There you go. And if you are wondering how to turn this on or how to watch, I will show you. So this is the Xiaomi TV stick. This is the global version, which retails for 3,599. We bought this at Xiaomi store at IKEA, and it comes with this remote control, which is Google Assistant ready. And as you can see here, it already has a native Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. So these two are the shortcut for opening those applications, and it comes with this power cable. It actually has an adapter included, but since we're going to use this for the car, so we do not need to use the power adapter. And then we also have the HDMI cable connector. So to use the Mi TV stick, first you will have to connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port here at the back, like this, and then you're going to plug the Mi TV stick on the other end of the cable. Okay, after doing so, you see here on the beside the HDMI port is the power source. So using the USB-A end of the power cable, you would connect here. There you go. And then the micro USB part will be connected here at the side of the Mi TV stick, and that's it. So you would just have to place this at the side, and now using the remote control, we will turn the monitor here. So as you can see, after plugging it in, it's already powering on. Let's just wait for a few minutes or a few seconds. Okay, so now it is already turned on, and from the home screen you can see the native streaming apps or platform that you can watch on. So we have your Netflix, Patchwall, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, and Google Play Movies and TV. So first, you would have to connect your TV stick to the internet. As you can see, it says that Wi-Fi is not connected. So using the remote control, you will navigate to the settings and click on network and internet. So from here you could search for your Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. So let's search for a Wi-Fi
source.
Yes, internet. For this, I will be using my phone as a mobile hotspot. So as you can see, it is already connected because we have tried this last night. Okay, so after connecting the TV stick to the internet, as you can see, it says connected. So you can now watch on your favorite streaming platforms. You can choose from the
YouTube.
Okay. There you go. So there's the list of your videos. Cut mo nga muna. Gusto ko So we're going to watch Junjun vlogs here at the back seat. So after searching it up, let's try watching for, there you go. Okay, this one. Wait lang, may ads pa pala. Ay ano, pause muna. Cut mo. To enable the sound at the rear monitor, first you would have to press on this source from the touch screen panel and then click on the rear display. Okay, so it says here sound for rear display is now playing on the cabin. So after enabling the sound for the rear display, you are now free to watch. So after enabling the sound at the front, you are now free to watch your videos here at the back. So that is how you are able to watch at using the backseat monitor of your Nissan vehicle. So if you do have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Also, please give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.